Hey everybody, this is Dave Bensman with Bensman Home Computer Repair, and today I'd like to do a video about drivers. Drivers are software programs that help your computer, your operating system, talk to your hardware. Essentially, a simple way of thinking about it is you've got like a video card, but your video card is just a piece of hardware and isn't really that useful unless there's some software that'll help your operating system communicate with it. So what we have a lot of times is drivers that get outdated because maybe the manufacturer realizes, oh, there could be a problem. If somebody's using this software or they're using this type of computer with this video chipset, there could be a problem, and so they'll release an updated driver. Now, what a lot of people the trap a lot of people fall into is they will go looking for video drivers. And if you notice, when I type in video drivers, the first thing is Microsoft, which is fine, and then Nvidia. But then the third thing is drivereasy.com. Now, I've never heard of drivereasy.com, but there is a really good chance that if you were to go to that website, you would get something nasty on your computer. What you want to do is you want to go to the manufacturer either of your computer if you didn't add anything to your computer, or if you added hardware to your computer, you want to go to whoever you bought the video card or the sound card from. So in my case, I didn't add a video card to the computer that I'm on right now. And so I'm going to go to Dell because that's who made the computer. Now, if I look on top of the Dell computer, there will be something called a service tag. And so whoever made your computer, you're either looking for a service tag or a serial number or something like that. And then what I want to do is, because it's a Dell, I want to go to Dell's website. So I go to Dell's website, and then I go to drivers and downloads. And the first thing they do is they ask me what my service tag is. So I'm going to type in my service code here, G3JQ8V1. And that's going to tell me everything that I need to know about my computer. And if you notice, it says Windows 7 64-bit. The latest operating system they have is a Windows 8.1 here. So if I click on Windows 8.1, that'll give me all of the Windows 8.1 drivers. Now, those are all going to be out of date because I upgraded the system to Windows 10. So if I have a problem with my chipset driver, for instance, I'll have to just install that and hope that that'll work as, equally well with Windows 10 as it does with Windows 8.1. And it probably will. If not, then, I'll have to go digging a little deeper on the internet to find something that will work. So that's really what you want to do when you're having a driver issue, is you want to go to the manufacturer of your computer, type in your service tag, and then basically see if there's an updated driver. Because if you notice, all the drivers are dated. And so if you know that you haven't updated your drivers, for instance, this chipset driver, 18 December 2015, if I've never updated my driver, then maybe this driver will give me either added functionality or it'll stop some sort of, exploit that where people might use to be able to take over my computer, or it just might make it run more smoothly. So that's how you go online to look for your drivers, is you want to go to the support page of the manufacturer of your computer, or let's say you added an Nvidia card, you would go to the manufacturer of your video card, you would go to that website, and you would basically enter in all of this information. What type of card is it? Is it a GeForce card? What product series is it? And then once you get all that down, then you click search, and then it'll tell you this is the driver you need. You install that. Everything, as long as the hardware is working correctly, everything should be fine. I hope everybody found that helpful. If so, please like and share my video. And please subscribe to my channel. And if anybody in the Memphis, Collierville, Millington, Bartlett, or Midtown area needs computer assistance, feel free to give me, Dave Bensman, Bensman Home Computer Repair, a call at 901-830-4362. And as always, stay safe.